So once upon a time, I was in high school, if you can believe that. And I and friends would hop into cars with each other and drive around town or out in the country. And oftentimes, the driver would wear their seatbelt, but other people in the car would choose whether they wanted to or not. And those were back in the days when seatbelt law had just kind of come into practice and not everybody wore them. And well, you know what happens to a body in motion. It just keeps going in motion. And well, this video was shown by the crash analysis reconstruction team sheriff's member who came to one of our classes a couple of years back. And he showed this to us at the end of their presentation as a reminder as to why it's important for everyone in the car to be wearing their seatbelt. So I'm going to roll this, and it's kind of intense. It was a British public broadcasting public service announcement that they put out in England, and they seem to not quibble with reality. So it's a little bit intense. If you don't like intensity, then don't watch this, and just ask somebody else about why it's important to maintain your safety belt. All right, here we go.
This is Michael. Today he's going to hit his girlfriend so hard she ends up with permanent brain damage.
Three dead in this vehicle. Sure is critical. They say the guy without the seatbelt did the damage.
No seatbelt, no excuse.
So there's our reminder. Keep those belts on. Make sure everybody in your car's got them, because otherwise they become the projectile that will potentially do damage to you. Stay safe out there, and be sure to smile at folks as you're out walking about. Wave to them. It makes for friendliness in this time of somewhat paranoia around germs and staying healthy. All right, bye for now.